Do you know watermelon may have anti-cancer effects? Yes, several plant compounds found in H2O melon, including lycopene and cucurbitacin E, have possible anti-cancer effects. Right? Welcome back to Tea Menu channel, guys. Today I'm taking you to the fruit market where I'm going to be selecting this watermelon for our consumption. And I'm going to be showing you in this short clip what I call the international standard of cutting watermelon. And at the same time, we appreciate and welcome our honorable guest. Shout out to Rightness Vivian.
How to cut watermelon. First of all, you wash your watermelon, and now you're going to cut it horizontal, just into two. Follow me. All right, I'm going to pause for a while. Okay, now we have cut it into two. Did I tell you that how you find out that the watermelon is going to be sweet and reddish inside is by looking at this I don't know what I call it, the head or the tail, but whatever it is, you find that one of them might be bigger, but the other side should be really small. That's how you find out that your watermelon is going to be ripe and sweet. So as you can see, you don't need to be told, this watermelon is a banger. Now you take 1/2 of the watermelon, keep it aside, and now the other one you slice it vertically like this, and like this. After you go this way, like this and like this. I will show you. Just want to follow this same pattern on this same line. Okay.
Like and follow for Facebook.
Actually, someone taught me this and I feel I should share it. You know, we rise by lifting each other. Now we're going to cut this way. You'll be surprised that you have been cutting your watermelon wrong.
Subscribe for more.
Cut one end, you go again. This side is a bit tricky now, I must tell you. Okay, then like I said, the final one, but okay, it's kind of to keep cutting. My baby is sharing me on. Okay, we're almost there. Time for truth. You know why I cut it this way? Just take a look. When you take it like this, is it not lovely? Very lovely, right? You just bite it down like a popsicle. Beautiful. Enjoy.